Today I experienced a lot of resistance about filming content. Filming content in the city I live in the city I grew up in. And I want you to understand that the more you resist something, the more it persists. If you are learning French at the moment and there is something that you resist so much and you don't want to do it, you don't want to go through it because it's hard, it makes you uncomfortable, or just because you don't understand it and it frustrates you, that means that you have to work on this specific thing. You have to do it in order to, I guess, acquire it, to be okay with it, to be more comfortable with it, and then move on. If there is a grammar rule you don't understand, if there is a sound you cannot pronounce, if there is something you can't understand, if something is keeping you stuck at your current French level, then work on that, and this is what will unlock your next level. For example, I was very resistant in filming content outside of my home just because I knew that I needed to get ready, do my hair, do my makeup, and then go outside, and also take the risk in being seen by other people. I was so self-aware that it just stopped me from even wanting to create more content. And I know that by doing it, now I understood why I was so resistant in doing it. And I did, because Chris pushed me, and I'm really grateful that he did, because I wouldn't have done it. And when I was doing it, I had all these weird fears, and I was hoping that nobody that I knew would see me doing it, just because I thought they would judge me. And honestly, who cares? But I had all these fears and all this stuck inside of me, and it would have stopped me from just filming a video. Come on. So I'm just helping you, seeing that the more you go through your resistance, the better it is for you to then move on and go to the next level. So whatever you are stuck with at the moment, then this is definitely what you need to work on, even if it's hard. Let me know in the comments if there is something that you are stuck on with French. Let me know.